Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create new wallet in Spendee. So first is going over to Spendee and open the app, so click on it. And now once the app is opened, you can close this and close this as well. Once the app is opened, click on wallets down here. And now here you can see all your wallets. Now click on create new wallet, or add an e-wallet, or add a crypto wallet, which one you want. So click on create new wallet. Now you can name it. So let's name it. So kit number 1. And then you can set up your initial balance. So let's say $50. And now you can choose which categories are visible for this wallet. So hide the categories that you don't want to be visible for this certain wallet. And then you can also share the wallet with other people. You have to access to the contacts. So allow Spendee to access your contacts if you want to do that. And invite people. So click on create new wallet if you are done. And now as you can see, your new wallet kit number 2 is right here. So this is how you create a new wallet in Spendee. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.